And we are in front of the new Possl Summit Shine 600 for the 2026 edition, with a starting price of 55,000 euros, and final price of this model is 71,830. Well, this Possl Summit Shine comes also with the pop-up roof and having this towering bridge style Dometic fridge. Entering inside, we are checking the standard. Well, this is the Peugeot chassis, but it's all the same. It's like a Fiat Ducato with manual transmission, with this fold up and down storage unit for up to 7 kilos of payload. And if we check up on this part, we have the great large pop-up roof, and also controlled by a key, so it's electric control. New style for this Shine variant. Well, we have the standard sitting bench area and this polished styled, well, pretty deep cabinet. Pretty amazing look too. And then on this side we have this part you can fold up for additional kitchen style, 2 burner stoves and additional storage unit under the kitchen stove. Pretty great and actually pretty deep. On the other part we have additional storage right up there and pretty good and deep amount of storage for your kitchen setup, but we shall be going up later because we have to check firstly the bathroom, and it's a pretty great Dometic and also this part right here makes an easy time taking a shower with additional storage for your shampoo. Well, this is a great design with great deep sink so you can wash your teeth or your face. Well, it looks nice. And then we can go to the big deep cabinets all around. So we have a deep cabinet also there. And if we measure this bed, we are looking at around 1.929, and on the larger part we are looking at 1.548. So a pretty large bed from this side, slightly narrower from this part right here, and we are measuring about 1.436. Not bad at all. Well, going out and around, we can finish off with this pretty great looking garage and also a square one, so measuring about approximately 1.232 and on the widest part approximately 0.968. So this is the new model for the 2025 edition Summit Shine 600.